And guys, trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We almost there. Thank you for the love and support, guys. And we have Germany in the house before, India in the house, Sudan, Ghana, Nigeria, United States, Italy, England. Everybody came, guys. Thank you for the love and support, guys. I appreciate what you guys when you guys like my videos. My hair is not too good, guys, because you always see me covering my head. But I'm just going somewhere off here right now. So, guys, don't be shy. If you have a question, ask it right here, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Guys, we got a little bit of light for you. So, this is our lighting. So nice. This is the TL right here. So nice. Guys, don't forget to go and subscribe, guys. It's important for me. It is important for you because you will miss. And click the notification button. Don't be shy. And just don't work too hard. Calgary in the house. Click the like. Click the thumbs up. I mean, you don't have a thumbs down, but just click the thumbs up. It's always good to thumbs up. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Show every message included potential spam. Hide all chat message. Okay, if you hide all chat message, how can you see? All right, guys, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Ask any mechanic question. Check out my videos, and you see what you like. If you like something, subscribe. If you don't, thanks for watching. Appreciate every one of you guys, subscriber or no subscriber. I'm here. Okay, this light. Okay, a little better. A little better now. Thank you very much. Very cool, dude. Hello. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Ask any mechanic question. Check out my videos. And yeah, you're very cool, dude. That's good, man. I like that name. Don't be shy. Ask me any question you want to ask me about cars. Guys, I have two Acura TL. I have the one there. I have the one there. And yeah. What will sub? I will subscribe. Thank you very much. Very cool, dude. We be doing a lot of different things here. And my motive is to make people learn different things by doing simple things. Because some people teach the mechanic online, but they put a lot of expensive tools and the computers and all that. People don't have time for that because people not everybody gonna get a scan tool and a computer. So my motive on this channel is to try to do things that you could actually do at your home without expensive computers and all that stuff. And showing you simple way and shortcuts. But remember guys, make sure to work safe. Always work safe and protect your eyes and your face. The most important thing, guys. Thank you, very cool dude, for subscribing. Appreciate it. Where are you from, very cool dude? Where are you from? Let me shout out your area code. Or just text me your area code and let me see if I can guess. All right, guys. We already 44 minutes in. Cool dude already subscribed. Thank you, bro. Watch my videos. Check out